everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys followed me on Facebook on Deals by DesignerJen, I mentioned that I actually got new CRTs today, you guys. I was so excited. I went to bed a little after 11 last night and there was nothing in the thing. I woke up a little bit before 6:30 and I had a couple of them, not a lot, but I had a couple of them, and I was so excited. I'm like, yes. I get to the store and I'm like ready to print them out, and the only thing that printed out was a $3 extra care buck that I got from Beauty from last week. Yeah, it didn't print. I don't know what the instant coupons are. I don't know. Nothing printed. So I had everything sent to my card. Now I do have a second card that I was using a couple years ago, and then I just stopped using it. And I'm like, well, I'm going to print that off to figure out what the instant coupon is, because then the store can override that because it says it's advertised. But I hate when that says it's a mystery because I don't know what it is. But that didn't print off anything either, so I just threw those away because I don't use that card. But I was kind of sad because I really wanted to figure out the Beauty or for the mystery coupon. But anyways, I was just excited to get stuff. I got wow, I don't remember what I got, but I got different ones. I didn't get any of the same ones I did last week, so I was pretty excited with that. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Cashier, I've been dealing with him for the last couple weeks, nothing wrong, and he's like, oh, these bags are so much better than the CVS bags. And I says, yes, and you can shove everything in here and I don't have to worry about it. So I'm gonna start bringing my regular bags because I don't care anymore. Anyways, I was eyeing these up last week at CVS, and I wanted to get these because my son is having a SpongeBob birthday party, and I like to get some stuff to put in the kids' goodie bags. So what I like to do is I like to look at the Valentine's. If you guys watched my Target haul, I share with you guys what I got. I like to look at what you get for, like, they always do the cards and then a special thing like stickers or whatever. So I looked at these, and none of these stickers say anything about Valentine's Day. It's just like, it's called Be Weird, I'm ready, today is gonna be awesome. None of these are anything for Valentine's Day, so I'm like, I'm gonna get these and give these to the kids. I'm like, there wasn't very much left, so I'm like, I'm just gonna get these now because I want to get these. These were 99 cents, they were 75% off, so I'm like, 99 cents, we'll totally get them. So these are gonna go in the kids' little goodie bags that they have for birthday parties. So that's how I shop. I always buy things for the bag. Every time I tell cashiers, they're like, that's a really good idea. So you don't get very, okay, the stickers are the Valentine's, it looks like, but that is okay. That doesn't bother me anyways because the kids won't even care. They'll just want the stickers. So enough with that. So I actually got a 4 off of 25 mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush, CRT. So I was excited to do this deal. And then I saw that I had 3 off of 2 CRTs for, 3 off of 2 coupons for Colgate. So then I went and scanned it, and the digital would not work for these ones. So I ended up using my 50% off coupons that we got from last week for them. So these were $3.49 on sale, and I used 4 50% off coupons that we got from our inserts last week. So I got 4 of these, okay? Then I also ended up doing the Crest 3D toothpaste. Now, if you guys do this deal at Walgreens and CVS, you can do it because it's 2 different rebates, so you guys can do that. These were $6.99, and I used 2 $2 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. So I got 6 tubes of toothpaste, and then I used that 4 off of 25 CRT. It came out to be $17.94. That's ridiculous. $17.94 for 6 bottles of toothpaste. Yeah. But I did receive $3 back with an extra care buck for buying 2 of these. And then every 2 that you bought, you got $5, and then it was a limited 2. So I ended up getting $10 back for this. Then you guys can submit your receipt for a $3 rebate with Ibotta times 2. So all 6 of these came to be a $1.06 moneymaker. I got these all absolutely for free, which is awesome. So I was pretty excited for that. I don't know if I have tried this toothpaste, but I always keep like the most expensive stuff for myself because I'm like, why not? Why not? I ended up doing the Haribo deal. Now, these were on sale for, well, my ad said they were buy one, get one 50% off, but they're actually 2 for $3 when I checked the red machine. So you guys would pay $3 for this, but then there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate for this one and a different 50-cent rebate Ibotta for this one. So you guys will get these for $2 or just $1 a piece, which is a pretty great deal. So I wanted to share with you guys that. I think I might be maxed out on that Haribo deal because I've been doing that a lot when I was at Walmart. So I actually have a Love and Beauty shampoo that I absolutely love, but they discontinued the one. It was like sandalwood. It was kind of a brown one, and I was disappointed because I really liked that. I am not a flower person, and I'm not much of a... This one, I was smelling these, and I wasn't a big fan of them, but I really wanted the Colgate, or the coconut water and mimosa flower, but they didn't have any conditioner. They only had the shampoo, which is totally fine. So I ended up buying 4 of these. These were $9.79. I used 2 buy one get one free coupons, so they took off $9.79. I also had a $4 off of 2 and a $1.50 off coupon that I had digitally clipped, and those came off also, so I have no control over that, but I am giving you guys a heads up that those did come off. But without those coupons coming off, with just the 2 buy one get one frees, these would be $19.58. Then you guys get a $10 extra care buck, making these just $9.58. That's a little less than $2.40 some whatever cents. I'm like, that's okay because this stuff's kind of expensive. I'm fine with that. But since those 2 other digitals came off, these came out to be $4.08, which is basically $1.02, which is a pretty good deal. So like I said, I have no control over what happens digitally, but I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I got Venus razors. These were $9.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts. I really wish I'd get razor CRTs, but I'm not. Now, I'm not sure if the whole system like reset or something. I don't know if I'll still be getting those. So I've been trying to get just different things because maybe next week I might get some might get some razor CRTs. I don't know if it just completely started over or if the whole system's just completely messed up. I don't know. So that's why I'm okay with buying these, because maybe it'll trigger it to print off more different CRTs. But anyways, you guys would end up paying $13.98 for these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making them $3.98 or just $1.99 a piece, which is an okay deal. I like Venus razors, and so I'm pretty excited with that. And then last week's instant coupon printed off, and I had a 2 off of 2 Hershey's, Cadbury, whatever. So I'm like, I'm just gonna see what I can use for this, because I love the app, how it shows you what coupon would work. So I originally did like those little candy, the little bars, like, you know, old school candy. Those worked, but then I'm like, nope, that's not a cheap enough deal. Well, then there was an end cap of those Cadbury, not these Cadbury, but it's like a purple bag. Those were like $4.39 or something like that, and I scanned it and it said it was buy one get one free, and then I scanned it with my app and the 2 off of 2 instant coupon from last week worked, and I'm like, sweet. But then I'm like, okay, let's just go buy the candy and see if we can find anything else. So I ended up scanning these Reese's eggs. Again, these were $4.49. Buy one get one free. I used that 2 off of 2 instant coupon that we got from last week. So that one worked. It scanned fine, so it came out to be just $2.49. So these come out to be just $1.25, which I'm pretty excited because I don't have any more Reese's bags, so I was pretty excited to get that. And you guys, that was my haul. I know it's kind of sad, but I'm really hoping, hopefully next week something happens with the CRTs. But anyways, my total came to $13.46. I ended up using $41 of extra care bucks. I didn't have any more. I gave them all that I had. And so, but I only received $33 back. It was a 10, a 10, and a 3 is what I received back. 10, 10, 10, and 3. But with Ibotta, I did receive $7 back with Ibotta, so my grand total came to $14.46. 19 items at just 76 cents a piece, which is an okay deal, but I'm still happy with what I got. I got some really nice toothpaste, which I was happy for, and I got these because I like to break these up and put them in my ice cream. But anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next week, hopefully for a better, more CRTs CVS haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.